Good day, everyone. It's me again, Teacher Marlene. Today, our discussion is about the solution of quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. First of all, let us derive the formula. Using the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, let us follow the steps in completing the square. We will write the constant on the right side. Then divide every term by the coefficient of x squared, which is a. Then simplify the result. Get 1/2 of the coefficient of x, square it, and add to both sides of the equation. So 1/2 of b over a is b over 2a, and its square is b squared over 4a squared. Factor the left side. It is the quantity of x plus b over 2a closed quantity square. Simplify the right side by getting the LCD, which is 4a. Now, since the result is similar denominator, then we have the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, let us have the application of the formula. First, get the value of a, b, and c in the given equation. Get the value of a, which is 1. The square root of the square of b, which is a negative 2 square, minus 4 times the value of a, which is 1, times the value of c, which is negative 15, then divide the result by 2 times the value of a, which is 1. So x is equal to negative of negative 2, which is positive 2, plus or minus the square root of the square of negative 2, which is 4. Then, negative 4 times 1 equals negative 4 times negative 15 equals positive 60. And 2 times 1 equals 2 in the denominator. So, x is equal to 2 plus the square root of 64 all over 2. Simplify it further. The square root of 64 is 8. Separate the plus and minus sign. So x is equal to 2 plus 8 over 2. And x equals 2 minus 8 over 2. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Divided by 2, so x is equal to 5. On the other hand, 2 minus 8 is equal to negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 2, so x, negative 3. So our solutions, are 5 and negative 3. Now, let us answer example number 2. What are the solutions of the quadratic equation x squared plus 10x plus 22 equals 0? So the value of A is 1, B is 10, and C equals 22. Then substitute in the formula. So x equals negative of 10 plus or minus the square root of 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times 22 all over 2 times 1. The negative of 10 is negative 10. The square of 10 is 100. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times 22 is negative 88. Then 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract 100 minus 88, so the answer is 12. Since the square root of 12 is not a perfect square, then it can be factored as square root of 4 times square root of 3. So it is x is equal to negative 10 plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2 times the square root of 3 all over 2. Since 2 is factorable to all of the terms, let us factor out 2 and cancel the numerator and denominator. Therefore, x equals negative 5 plus the square root of 3 and x equals negative 5 minus the square root of 3. The more you tried, the more you succeed.